Daniel for another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign a bird. Just before we get into this video, remember to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below for more awesome future videos. But anyway guys, let's get straight into this video. That's how you sign bird. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, subscribe, leave a like and comment what you want to know how to learn. Tell me in the comments what you want me to show you how to sign next. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.